Hi, it's Taji from Dollaride. In this video, we're going to show you step by step how easy it is to invest in Dollaride with Republic. First, head over to republic.co. Create an investor account by filling out a profile and providing some preliminary background information. You'll need to acknowledge a few basic investment principles, as well as provide some information to verify your identity. Keep in mind that this information is very important to ensure that your investment is secure. And once you've completed the form, you can start to invest. Don't forget to verify your Republic account in your email. Then, head over to Dollaride's investment page, republic.co/Dollaride, to review our pitch. When you get to our page, watch our video. Everything you need to know about why you should invest in Dollaride is right there in our pitch video. If you prefer things written out for you, scroll through our investment page. All of the information you need is on our page. But if you have any questions, you can always contact us. When you're ready to invest, simply click Invest in Dollaride. To make an investment, decide on your investment amount, provide some basic payment information, review the terms of your investment, and finally, confirm. You can track your investment and our campaign on Republic. It's during this time that you can actually really be hands-on. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions about our business, this investment campaign, or just to say hi. Share this opportunity with your friends, share this video, and continue to help us combine transportation and opportunity with Dollaride.